The ancient Egyptians looked up at the night sky with wonder. They were curious. They wanted to understand the cosmos. In the vast desert at Nabta Playa, they built something extraordinary. It was a grand stone circle. This structure, dating back to 7,000 years ago, predates Stonehenge. It stands as a testament to the early Egyptians' fascination with the heavens. These early people observed the stars. They charted their movements. They used this knowledge to mark the seasons. The stone circle at Nabta Playa aligns with the rising of certain stars. This alignment helped predict the arrival of the summer solstice. This marked the time for the annual flooding of the Nile. It was a vital event for agriculture and life itself in ancient Egypt. The Egyptians' fascination with astronomy was not merely practical. They believed that the cosmos held deep meaning. They saw connections between the celestial and earthly realms. The sun, moon, and stars were not just objects in the sky, they were deities. They were powerful forces that influenced life on Earth. This belief permeated their culture. It shaped their art, architecture, and religion. It is a legacy that continues to captivate us today. It reminds us of the enduring human desire to understand our place in the universe. The Nile River was the lifeblood of ancient Egypt. Its annual floods brought fertility and sustenance to the land. To predict these vital floods, the Egyptians developed a sophisticated calendar. Their calendar was based on the cycles of the sun and stars. The Egyptian calendar consisted of 365 days. It was divided into 12 months of 30 days each. 5 additional days were added at the end of the year. This system was remarkably accurate. It allowed the Egyptians to regulate their agricultural cycles with precision. They could plan for the floods and ensure a bountiful harvest. The development of this calendar was a major achievement. It reflected a deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics. It also highlighted the practical applications of astronomical knowledge in ancient Egyptian society. The calendar was not just a tool for measuring time. It was essential for the survival and prosperity of their civilization. The 365-day calendar became a cornerstone of Egyptian culture. It influenced their religious practices, festivals, and daily life. This calendar was a testament to their ingenuity. It reflected their deep connection to the celestial rhythms that governed their world. The ancient Egyptians were masters of architecture. Their pyramids and temples are not just feats of engineering, they are also astronomical marvels. They are precisely aligned with the stars. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for instance, is aligned almost perfectly with true north. This precision suggests a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. It implies the use of advanced surveying techniques. The Egyptians likely used the stars to guide their construction. They may have tracked the movements of certain stars. These observations would have helped them establish true north. The alignment of the pyramids was not accidental. It had a spiritual significance. The Egyptians believed that the pharaoh, after death, would ascend to the heavens. They thought he would join the circumpolar stars. These stars never set below the horizon. By aligning the pyramids with these stars, the Egyptians were creating a symbolic pathway for the pharaoh's journey into the afterlife. Temples, too, were often aligned with celestial events. The Temple of Amun-Re at Karnak, for example, was designed to align with the rising sun on the winter solstice. This alignment created a dramatic spectacle. The sun's rays would illuminate the temple's inner sanctum. It was a powerful symbol of the god's return and the renewal of life. These architectural wonders reflect the profound influence of astronomy. They show how deeply intertwined it was with Egyptian culture and religion. The Egyptians saw the cosmos as a sacred realm. They populated it with gods and goddesses. They associated these deities with celestial objects. The sun god Ra, for example, was the most important deity in the Egyptian pantheon. He represented life, warmth, and light. The Egyptians believed that he sailed across the sky in a celestial boat each day. Similarly, the moon god Thoth was associated with wisdom, writing, and timekeeping. The goddess Nut, depicted as a woman arching over the earth, represented the sky. These deities played central roles in Egyptian mythology and religious practices. Astronomical events, such as solstices and equinoxes, were celebrated with religious festivals. These festivals marked important agricultural cycles. They honored the gods and goddesses who controlled the cosmos. The flooding of the Nile, for instance, was seen as a gift from the gods. It was celebrated with elaborate rituals and offerings. The Egyptians believed that by understanding the movements of the heavens, they could gain insights into the will of the gods. Astronomy, therefore, was not just a science, it was a way to connect with the divine. It was an integral part of their religious beliefs and practices.